Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
To get the battery. So I make it quick. It's Tuesday night and today's surfing was really good. We had good conditions for, I don't know, a couple hours or something. And the waves got really strong and big, but we still stayed a little bit longer and yeah, got a good practice day, so that was so much fun surfing. And we had a good crowd. So after surfing I went to the pool and relaxed a little bit and, you know, swam a few rounds. And yeah, laid in the sun, and then after that I went to get water at the store. After that I started cooking. So I made this casserole, or I don't exactly know how you call that in English, an Auflauf. It's like with potatoes and then all these kinds of veggies, and I got some ham in there and kidney beans and, you know, garlic, onion, all that good stuff, and some Parmesan. And it tastes so good. I can insert the video that I made for Instagram, so you might see it now. I'm gonna have my dinner now and then try to head to bed earlier than yesterday because I'm really tired. And okay, you can't really see me. And the thing is, my eyes hurt. Like I feel a little bit strange here on my head because, sorry for the lighting. Well, first of all, I have water in my ears since yesterday. Kind of got used to that. Now today, I got probably sand in my eye, especially in this one. And like, I think the sun, sea salt water, and the sun lotion, I think all got in my eyes and it like hurts a lot, but I guess sleeping will help. So that's what I'm gonna do soon. But now I'm gonna have dinner, so right here. That's my food. And I'm gonna watch some YouTube. And that's gonna be it for today. So have a nice evening, have a good day whenever you watch this. And yeah, I hope you have some fun too. See you, bye.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.